I believe that for the European hydrogen ramp up, we have a couple of very important actions in front of us. First of all, we need to address the role of the infrastructure in the future, both the trans-border infrastructure, but also the distribution network that connects the hydrogen producers with the consumers. I think we need to go into that area on a European level as well. Secondly, there most likely need to be some kind of incentives for promoting hydrogen consumption in the beginning. There is a huge potential for reducing the carbon dependency, like in industry and transport, and it would be fairly interesting to see some initiatives to boost that consumption that is starting now. And then, like what we do in Europe already, do some roadmap planning for power and gas, but also for the hydrogen grids, and support the demonstration of the new technologies. There are some technologies that are ready for use, but they need some maturation activities. That goes for the production technologies, particularly where they need to perform better in scalability and in cost efficiency and ability to operate in fluctuating modes. Decade, that means that we're actually quite far in the decade already. We need to find some way of getting a well-functioning carbon taxing system together with some certification on various classes of hydrogen. We need to boost the European market of green hydrogen, but most likely we need to do something else in the meantime. So a certification and a taxing system would be important leverage tools in order to promote that. But we also need to expand the green energy sources like solar and wind. This is a prerequisite for making any green hydrogen at scale. And this is sort of the decade where we are warming up to the green hydrogen, so we need to be good here. And finally, we have to not only look at Europe, but also international. We need to look at the international collaboration and trade. We need to promote and exchange knowledge and expertise and learn from each other. Hope to see some updates on what is happening on the sustainability initiatives. We now have some European regulation. We see the implementation of sustainability requirements all over the industry, and I would like to be inspired what's happening there. Same goes for EU regulation. We had a few years on defining the regulation. Now we are in implementation mode. What's happening? And then finally, I would like to connect with my network and meet colleagues from the European hydrogen and green gas industry that I miss in my daily life. So I'm looking forward to that as well.